What happens when a king defies the gods? Let me tell you the tragic tale of Lycurgus, a ruler of Thrace who crossed a line no mortal should dare to. Lycurgus was a fierce leader, known for his strength and his stubbornness. He held a deep disdain for Dionysus, the god of wine and revelry. Enraged by the arrival of the god and his followers, Lycurgus forbade the worship of Dionysus in his realm, believing that such chaos would weaken his kingdom. But the consequences of defying a god are dire. In his blind fury, Lycurgus went so far as to attack the worshippers of Dionysus, believing he could erase their influence. However, the god would not be disrespected. In retaliation, Dionysus drove Lycurgus into madness, causing him to kill his own son, thinking he was a vine. Realizing his tragic mistake, he was consumed by grief. Ultimately, the madness led him to take his own life, forever cursed by the gods he dared to challenge. Lycurgus's tale serves as a chilling reminder of the perils of hubris and the wrath of the divine, echoing through time as a story of tragedy, madness, and the inevitable fall of a king.